Hey guys, and welcome to another Tektronix video. I think this is number 3. Had a delivery today. Think you're gonna like it. This substantial box is the Peopoly Moai. I hope I said that correctly. This is the kit version, so we're going to get it out, take a look, and try not to blind ourselves with a laser. But other than that, we're going to go through the ins and outs. There's some other great videos out there on how to put these together that I'm going to link down in the description. But I suggest doing as much research as possible. This is a very highly fine-tuned machine, and it's got to be perfect as I understand it. So without further ado, I'm going to get the box open and see what we've got to play with here. That goes over there. Safety first. Got some odd end boxes. Looks like sides and bottoms. I'm assuming, don't quote me on any of this yet. Some 80/20 extrusion. The build plate. More boxes, and yet more boxes. So well packed. I mean, there's custom cut styrofoam around everything. Another big stack of 80/20 extrusion. Bag of electronics. Maybe the laser actually, not sure. Power cord. Oh, the main plate. The Z or Z access, depending on how you like to say that. And that's everything in the top of the box. And that goes over there. Moving along. Got some tools. Putty knife. And metal parts. Oops. And we're into the third layer, which is the larger pieces of acrylic. I'm gonna have to, chairs, just another kind of table, right? Looks like some more pre-assembled extrusion. Put that there. Another box. And we have finally hit bottom. So, put that over there. Including the piece I threw on the floor. I'll have to go get that in a minute. Looks like we have everything here. Build vat. Okay. Not going to be needing that for a while. But thanks to our friends over at Matterhackers, we are ready when we get it going. We also have some white resin and some clear resin. So I'm looking forward to putting those in and seeing what kind of results we get. Little screen and the power brick. Apparently the power brick needed to be a box in a box. Don't need that. And, here is the actual laser. Very nice. Okay. Oh, apparently I need a bigger work table. But starting to stack up to be everything here. More tools. More tools. And of course the proverbial box of nuts, bolts, screws, clips, key locks, and down at the very bottom, an SD card. We'll have to check that out later. All right, well, without further ado, I'm going to get this all straightened up a little bit, and then we're going to do a time lapse on the build. I'll probably stop the time lapse periodically here and there so that we can take a closer look at some of the pieces as it comes together. So if you're trying to follow along or try to at least get some information off this video, there'll be something that you can use there. So let's get this going.
Ludicrous speed! Go!
I will say that everything in the Moai kit is incredibly well labeled. The bags, there are stickers on all the pieces of aluminum, so finding the parts you need is very easy. The Moai kit itself is made of 80/20 extrusion, so it's very strong. It also makes it easy to move things around. One word of advice I would give while building this kit is don't tighten anything down completely until you know you've got it in place. There's a lot of fine tuning, sliding here, sliding there. If you've got everything too tight, you'll just find yourself undoing everything again. At this step, I'm putting the SD card reader in place. I found, at least on my kit, if I tightened all of the screws down completely, it misaligned the card reader with the front of the Moai, and cards wouldn't slide in and out correctly. Because this is such a critical piece, because your card is everything, I suggest you go very loose on this, make sure everything's right, and then tighten up just as much as you have to. pulling the plastic off a brand new machine, such a wonderful feeling no matter how many times you get to do it. And there you go, the Peopoly Moai Laser SLA 3D printer. I have printed several things with it that I'll be showing off shortly. They are amazing prints, no matter what resin you're using for it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like what I'm doing here, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, well, you know what to do. Either way, thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing here with the channel, be sure to subscribe. It helps out a lot. So until next time, later.